Hello students, welcome to EduHub. Today in English grammar we are going to learn the topic determiners. Part 1. In this video I have included a, an and the in the module. Determiners. Let us first understand what exactly determiners mean. They are used to introduce nouns. They are different types of determiners. They are definite and indefinite articles, that is a, an, are indefinite articles and the is definite article. Demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, cardinal and ordinal numbers, distributives, difference words, question words and defining words. These are the various categories of determiners. Now in this section we are going to learn definite article, that is the. Where to use and how to use the article the. The is called the definite article. It is used for the following. Number 1. Before a specific noun. Now what exactly does this specific noun mean? Let us see with the help of an example. Example, I want to read the book on temple architecture. Students, when I say the book, it means it is a specific book. It does not mean any book. So in that case, when you want to specify some particular book, you use the. Before a superlative adjective also, we use the. For example, the most brilliant student in the class, the tallest boy, the greatest work of art. So you must have observed in all these three examples, there are superlatives: most brilliant, tallest and greatest. So this is being prefixed by the. I hope you all understood how to use the in front of a specific noun and before a superlative adjective. Now let us see some more cases where the has to be used. Before a noun that has been mentioned before. Example, this is a dangerous area in the forest. The area has been cordoned off by the forest officials. So you see that here you are talking about a particular dangerous area, and when you want to say something more about it, again you don't have to mention about its dangerousness. So you are using the area. When you say the area, it obviously means you are talking about the same dangerous area in the forest. Now let us see another case where the has to be used. Before the name of a musical instrument. Examples, she is practicing the piano. The violin has been lying unused for years. So you see that here piano and violin are the musical instruments. Hence before that you are using the. Now let us see one more case where we use the. When we refer to the members of a profession as a whole. That profession can be teachers, lawyers, doctors. Like for example, the police have failed to act on time. So here you are talking about the police force. So as a whole you are talking about. So you are using the. Now let us see one more case. When we talk about a group of people or a certain class, in that case also we use the. For example, the rich and the poor live harmoniously in the neighborhood. So here you are talking about the whole group of rich people and the entire group of poor people. Okay, so in that case you are using the. You are prefixing it with the. Now let us see one more case where the is used. To refer to well-known buildings or great works of art and music. Let us see some examples. The Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Mona Lisa. So in these all cases we are using the. Now let us see some more cases where the is used. Before the name of a thing when there is only one of it. Let us understand this with the help of some examples. The sun, the moon. So in the whole planet Earth we have only one sun and one moon. So you use the in such cases. When it is a unique object or a thing, then you use the. Now let us see how the is also used before proper nouns which are the names of geographical features. Examples are the Everest, the Atlantic Ocean, and so on. So in such cases you use the. So children, I hope you all understood all the 9 cases wherein the definite article the is used. Now let us move on to indefinite articles where a is an indefinite article and also is an indefinite articles. Let us see first of all indefinite article. How indefinite article a is used in the following cases. Number 1. Before a noun which refers to any member of a group and not a specific member. Let us understand this with the help of some examples. I want to play a game. Piyush wants to write a story. So you are not saying, you are not referring to all the games and all the stories. A particular game in general, I mean not a particular game but in general a game or in general a story. You want to write a story. So in such cases you use a. Now let us see one more case. A is used before a countable noun. Examples: a girl, a ship, a basket. I hope you all understood this case. Okay, now let us see one more situation where a is used. Before a consonant or a vowel with a consonant sound. Examples: a library, a university. So in these cases you see that L is a consonant. Okay, here in second case U is no wonder a vowel but the sound is that of a consonant. Okay, a university, when you say it is Y, it sounds like a Y. Therefore you use A there. Now let us see some cases where an is used. Okay, an indefinite article an is used. An is used to refer to a non-specific person or thing. It is also used for the following. Number 1. Before nouns that begin with a vowel sound. Examples: an apple, an orchard, an oven. So in all these cases you see that an is used before the words beginning with vowel sound. Okay. So when I say vowel, it is the vowel sound. Okay. So in such cases you use an. Now let us see another case where nouns that begin with a consonant has a vowel sound. Examples: an MLA, an NGO. So you see that here MLA and NGO begin with a consonant. Although they begin with a consonant, you are using an. Unlike here in this case, apple, orchard and oven, they all begin with a vowel and there is a vowel sound. Here also they begin, no wonder they begin with a consonant, but then they when you pronounce them, it is like a vowel sound. MLA, when you say A sound, NGO, A. Okay, the sound of A is there. Therefore, you use an. So, whenever there is a vowel sound, we use an. Now, let us see another case where words that begin with a silent H. This is very, very important, children. Please make a note of it. Examples let us discuss. An heir, an hour, an honest boy, an honor. So you see that here in all these cases the words begin with H, but then the sound is that of vowel. Therefore you use an here. Now let us see some exceptional cases. An engineer but a European. An umbrella but a university. A house but an hour. A mouse but an M. A hard-working man but an honest man. So you see that here, although the words begin, both the words begin with E, here you are using an and here you are using A. Here both the words begin with U, but here you are using an and here you are using A. Here house and hour. Okay, both begin with H, but here an and here A. Here mouse, M, but the article used is an here and A here. Hardworking, when you are saying, you are using A, but when you are saying honest man, you are using an, although they begin with H. That is because of vowel sound that is created when you pronounce those words, students. I hope this is very clear for you. In case if you have any doubts, you are always welcome to put your doubts in the comment section. Now here let us work out on one exercise based on articles that so far we have learned. And you can always put your queries and your answers or suggestions in the comment section. Here we go. Number 1. Please help yourself to dash food laid out on the table. Please help yourself to dash food laid out on the table. Second, Rishi's father bought him dash encyclopedia on his birthday. My aunt bought dash expensive crockery set for the party. How can we forget such dash wonderful experience? 5. Will you give dash message to her please? 6. Dash scent of wet earth after rain smells wonderful. 7th. Dash river Ganges is considered sacred in India. The government has set up Dash University in the capital city. What is Dash name of Dash new girl in the class? 10. Dash, here the is missing. 10th. Dash apple, dash day keeps dash doctor away. So children, work out on this exercise and put your answers in the comment section.